Hey, what's up guys, this is Johnny and I'm out here in Chiang Mai at the Sticky Waterfalls, also known as what is it called?
I don't know. Boy, what's something with a B?
I don't know. You can check the blog, Johnny FB. There's going to be directions and locations on there. It's pretty easy to find. It's about an hour drive from Chiang Mai on a scooter. Super fun. And you can't really see it right now, but I'll show you guys some video footage of it in a second. You can literally walk up these waterfalls. It's not really sticky waterfalls. It's more like a non-slippery waterfall. And it's kind of fun. You feel like Spider-Man. You can kind of just walk up and down. And in the beginning it's a bit weird because it feels unnatural to walk up a waterfall, but it works, so come check it out.